1. Understand the new cost of living adjustment COLA. Social Security benefits are adjusted annually for inflation through COLA. These adjustments help maintain the purchasing power of your benefits. 2. Review your earnings record. Make sure that your earnings record is accurate by checking your Social Security statement, because errors in your earnings record can affect your benefits. 3. Consider delaying benefit for higher payments. If you can afford to wait, delaying your Social Security benefit beyond your full retirement age can increase by 8% per year for each year you delay up 70 years old. 4. Note the impact of working while receiving benefits. If you continue to work while reaching your FRA, your benefits might be reduced based on your earnings. So make sure you understand the earnings limits for 2024. 5. If you are married or having a surviving spouse, you might be allowed for survivor benefits. These options can help maximize your household Social Security income. 6. Evaluate your tax situation. Review your total income and determine if you will owe tax on your benefits. Planning for taxes can help you manage financial situations better. 7. Use the Social Security benefit calculator based on different claiming ages and earnings scenarios. This can help you make informed decisions about when to start claiming benefits. 8. Stay updated on legislative changes. This may ensure that you are aware of any additional adjustments or benefits you may be allowed for in 2024. 9. Seek professional advice. Consult with a financial planner or Social Security expert to get advice tailored to your specific situation. This can help you navigate complex rules and your benefits strategy. 10. Plan for your future needs. Assess your long-term financial goals and how Social Security fits into your strategy for retirement savings and income. So implementing these tips can help you make the most of your Social Security benefits in 2024 and beyond. If this is your first time of you watching my video, please subscribe, like, comment and share, and please click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching.